Hello YouTube. So I do a quick video here, like an update video. I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately. I've just been busy with other things in life, and I've been also busy with a idea of an LCD display on like my repeater ID board that I've been doing videos about. Possibly maybe the weather alert board. Possibly. Now, like I said, keyword possibly. Now, this display does not use a computer. It does not use a Raspberry Pi. It's all be self-contained on the circuit board. So, in this particular one that I'm prototyping with, I'm playing with not just the display itself, but I'm also testing the direct solar hookup, so that you can hook this directly up to a solar system, solar panel system, and not have to use any type of converter boards, nothing like that. So that's what I've been kind of been doing. That's why I haven't seen a lot of videos. I've been working on this, and if all goes well, like I said, I'm in the beginning stages of this. I still have little ways to go. I'm hoping to incorporate this in other future boards or board ideas. So in this particular one here, I've been playing with different types of, and I apologize for my video here. It's very hard to capture display on camera with the lighting and the shadowing and the reflection. So I don't know if you can read this or not, but nevertheless, I've been playing with different ideas on this display. As you can see here, I have a TOT set, and I got menus and then sub menus, obviously. So like I said, I'm in the beginning stages of this, so we're gonna have to see how this turns out. I'm hoping it's gonna work out the way I want it to, because that's gonna really help with all my other ideas that I have. And if I can get the repeater ID to work with the functions I described in other videos and have a display, that's good. That would make it a lot easier for people to set this up. So at any rate, there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.